Okay, a circular ink spot has a circumference of 25.1 millimeters. A minute later, it has a circumference of 75.63 millimeters. So we want to estimate the diameter of the ink spot each minute. So we're going to do two problems. We're going to do circumference equals pi times diameter for the first ink spot, and then we'll do the same thing for the second ink spot. So at the first, our circumference is 25.12, and then 3.14 equals d. We divide both sides by 3.14, and that tells us that the diameter at the start is 8 millimeters. Second time through, we're at 75.63 equals 3.14d. Again, we divide by 33.14, and that gives us 24.1 millimeters. So how many times greater is the diameter of the ink spot compared to the previous minute? So we go 24.1 divided by 8, which is roughly 3 times greater. Then you're enclosing a circular flower garden with a fence that costs $2.99 per foot. The radius of the garden is 7 feet. How much will it cost to buy the fence? So we're told to use 22/7 for pi. So we want the circumference because we want to know the fence around the garden. So circumference is 2 pi r. In our case, it's going to be 2 times 22/7 times 7. So that gives us 44 feet. So then we do the price. Well, the price will be $2.99 times 44 feet, which gives us $131.56. The last problem is we want to find the perimeter of the circular tabletop, semicircular tabletop. So we're given a diameter, so circumference equals pi times diameter. So that's 3.14 times a diameter of 2, and that's 6.28. The diameter itself is 2 feet, so we're going to go 1/2 the circumference plus the diameter, which is half of 6.28 plus 2, which means we're looking at 5.14 feet. There we go.